Hello, my dear students. How are you? Hope you all are fine by staying at home. Stay safe and stay healthy. Now, today we are going to start the first lesson of our grammar book, the sentence. First, we have to know the definition of sentence. Let's go for the definition of sentence. A sentence is a group of words that conveys a complete sense or meaning. A sentence is a group of words that conveys a complete sense or meaning. What does it mean? First of all, we have to understand that a sentence must always begin with a capital letter. It means whatever we are going to write, we have to use the capital letter at first to start the sentence. Second one, the words in a sentence must be in a certain order so as to make complete sense. Now, see, let's take an example. Suppose I am giving you one example. I am going to school. Now, you can understand the meaning of this sentence easily. Now, suppose having the same word, if we write going am I to school, is that giving you any sense? No, not at all. So, whatever the words we have, it should be arranged systematically or in a proper way. So, it is very important to get a meaningful sentence or a meaningful sense. The words should be arranged in a proper order. Punctuation mark. Now, there are different types of sentence. Here we are going to learn basically 4 kinds of sentences. So, the punctuation mark is used always as per the sentence. If it is an assertive sentence or imperative sentence, the sentence ends with the full stop. And if it is an interrogative sentence, it will end with the question mark, and an exclamatory sentence will always stop with an exclamation sign. Let's take an example. See the example in your book. He is a good sportsman. See the punctuation? Full stop. It is an assertive sentence. Close the door. Again, it is an imperative sentence and it ends with the full stop. Which is your favorite color? Ends with a question mark because it is asking a question, and so it is an interrogative sentence. How lovely the sunset is. It is an exclamatory sentence, so it ends with exclamation mark. Let's come to the kinds of sentence. Again, read the following sentence. He has a good memory. His sister is a nurse. The sun rises in the east. His brother became a doctor. This flower is very beautiful. I hope you all have understood the meaning of these simple sentences. These sentences are called assertive sentence. Now, what does it mean? An assertive sentence expresses a statement to tell a fact. These type of sentences simply tell us a fact and always ends with a full stop. We are just giving you the clarification that what or which action is going on. So, this type of simple sentences are known as assertive sentence. Let's come to the another one. Read the following sentences. Where do you live? What do you want? Who gave you that book? Which of these boys is your brother? All these sentences ask question. So these are known as the interrogative sentences. An interrogative sentence always asks questions and ends with an interrogation mark or question mark. Read here. What a lovely garden it is. What a beautiful girl she is. How well she dances. How sweet the song is. What a good idea. These sentences shows any sort of expression, either it is sad or happy, but we have to understand that it is expressing any kind of feeling, certain feeling or strong feeling. An exclamatory sentences always expresses a strong feeling and it ends with an exclamation mark. Let's go for the another one. Open the window. Come here. Do your work. Please come here and tell me the truth. These sentences are known as the imperative sentence. Always remember, an imperative sentence expresses an order or a request and it always ends with a full stop. So, we have learned all the 4 kind of sentences. Let's go once more. The first one is assertive sentence. The second one is interrogative sentence. The third one is exclamatory and the last one is imperative. I hope you all have understood well the clarification given. And now you go for yourself reading at least twice this lesson so that you can understand well. Now here see the exercises are given. Read the following sentences and write their kinds. Try to do it by yourself. See the following picture. Let's go for the exercise B. See the following pictures. Write 4 kind of sentences about each picture. The first one has been done to help you. See here the picture of tiger has been given and all the 4 sentences are related with the picture given here. The tiger is a wild animal. It is a simple sentence or it is an assertive sentence. You can also write the tiger is a dangerous animal. Where does the tiger live? It is an interrogative sentence. Or you can ask, have you seen any tiger? Keep away from it. An imperative sentence. And how fearsome this tiger is. This is an exclamatory sentence. Same as the picture of a lotus and rainbow has been given. Let's try to write some of the sentence by yourself. Let's go for the exercise C. Rearrange the word in the following groups to make each group a meaningful sentence. Also write the kinds of sentences in the boxes. I have told you earlier that to get a meaningful sentence or a meaningful sense, the words should be arranged in a proper way. Here the jumbled words are given. You have to arrange the words in a proper way, and here in the boxes you have to write down the kinds of the sentence given here. Let's do question number D. Read the following sentences and put the correct punctuation mark at their ends. Also mention their kind in the boxes. Here you can see different type of sentences has been given. Here you have to use only the punctuation mark. After that you have to write down what kind of sentence it is. For your fun, here the joy drill is given as exercise E. Here you have to fill in the blank with the given words with the help of pictures. Try to do it all the exercises by yourself. However, you will get the answers tomorrow as in a PDF form. Thank you and have a nice day.